Baby, you're gonna have to, this one you have to work. Ultra Jackpot Blast. Come on, baby. It's gonna show you your multipliers first. Hold on.
That's a big one.
You wanna get right in the middle of those. Come on, baby, you can do it. You gotta stop it to award your prize. You have 7, there we go, 250 and a grand. Come on, you can do it. Get plus plays, $2. You want to get in the multiplier section. There we go. Oh, you didn't get it. I thought you got the 3. There we go, $1.50 times 2. Come on, give him free more plays. Oh. You only got 2 more plays after this. This one's hard. Last one, baby. Make it count. That's it. $10. All right.
All that for $10.
All that for $10.
Now I'll see if I can get that other one.
All right, now he's gonna see if he can get the Super Blast. Got to do the backup spin. Come on. All right. All right, we're here at Nascala. We'll see y'all in a little bit.